Okay, so thus far, what we have been doing is we've been using these simulators, and we've been looking at the data streams, and those data streams, the values in those have been expressed in decimal format. However, Modbus documentation for many devices and also for many simulators, what they show is a hexadecimal representation of the data streams, the query and response data streams. So what I want to do is just give you an example of that and show you that, so that when you see it live in the field, you won't be intimidated by it, right? So you need to know some hexadecimal if you're going to deal with Modbus and troubleshoot Modbus. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that you would notice that this button was on decimal. I'm going to click hexadecimal here. I'm going to click data traffic, right? And we'll be doing our read of a coil status before, and I'm going to connect, and let's see what happens there. All right, disconnect. Okay, so what I have here, this is really a hexadecimal representation. So what I have is this is the transaction identifier, protocol identifier, and this 6 here, well, 6 is 6 in decimal and hexadecimal. This 6 here is the number of bytes to come. And 15, this is not 15, this is 15. This is really hexadecimal representation for 21. This is the unit ID. Okay, and then 1 is the actual function, and then we have the start address and the number of memory locations to be read. So this is a hexadecimal representation, and with different data streams, you're going to actually see the letters A and E and D and so on, which is part of the hexadecimal standard. All right, so you'd notice that everything is 2 digits. Everything is 2 digits, and that's what hexadecimal is. Hexadecimal works very well with binary in the sense that each digit represents 4 bits then, right? So 2 of them is 8 bits, and this is a byte right here. So that's the hexadecimal format that I just want you to get familiar with. In the next 2 videos, we're actually going to be looking at using the CAS Modbus scanner, and all the CAS Modbus scanner uses is hexadecimal format. That's why I'm introducing it to you here now. All right.